Hi guys, we're gonna start a new chapter اللي هو Antiderivatives. So I sent you the notes, but even though I would like to highlight couple of things just to make sure إنه you understood هذا new chapter. So the famous formula هي f prime x equal fx. كيف كنا نقول من زمان square both sides, assign integral on both sides. So integral f prime x dx equal integral fx dx. هلا هون dx شو يعني؟ So it means I'm differentiating with respect to x. يعني عم كأنه عم بعمل dx هون integral with respect to x. So whenever you place integral sign مجبور حط dx or dy. It depends on my variable. هلا integral و prime cancel out. كيف فينا نقول square root x squared equal x يعني square root و square cancel out. Same for هيدي integral prime cancel out. So هون بيطلع لي fx plus c equal integral fx dx. So هيدي الفورمولا كتير مهمة. And now في فورمولا تانية بهيدا الشابتر اللي هي integral xn dx equal xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. هلا to make sure it's right. How you make sure it's right انه هيدي الفورمولا هي مزبوطة؟ شو عم؟ مجبور اعمل derivative تبع xn plus 1 over n plus 1 يطلع لي xn. So xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c prime شو بيطلع لي؟ بيطلع لي n plus 1 x n plus 1 minus 1 right over n plus 1 plus the derivative of c which is 0. So now n plus 1 n plus 1 cancel out, xn plus 1 minus 1 بيطلع لي xn. So the formula is right. So the famous formula هي integral xn dx equal xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. يعني example إذا my integral x4 dx it's equal x5 over 5 plus c. هلا small remark guys اللي integral square root x dx. هلا you can apply the formula or you can just memorize it. Where's the antiderivative of square root x? هلا the way I do it, square root x x exponent half, right? X exponent half dx. So you apply the formula xn plus 1 over n plus 1 where n is equal to half. So it's equal integral xn dx where n is equal to half يعني x half plus 1 over half plus 1 plus c which is x 3 half over 3 half يعني times 2 over 3 plus c. Is it clear guys?